Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get King Limone Seed in Plant vs Brainrot game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. I just obtained the seed, King Limone Seed. And if you want to get this seed for free guys, you can finish your daily quest. Wait, let me go to the central island. Okay, you can go to the central island right here and you will see daily quest. And if you can complete this daily quest, you can get this King Limone Seed. You just need to place the required Brainrot. Okay, you need to place 4 Brainrots right here, and you will get the King Limone Seed as reward. And yeah, that's a simple, but you need to wait until you get the Brainrot. And you can get the shiny base card pack as well if you complete the quest. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the King Limone Seed in Plant vs Brainrot game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!